Honk and down you will go. This happened a couple weeks ago. I was returning home on my motorcycle. As I was passing through a narrow road, there was a car who was honking at me to give way. Since it was a narrow road, I had to be careful and slowly shift to the side. But this impatient shithead was honking profusely, which irritated me. Since I drive through this road daily, I knew that up ahead was a massive pothole due to pipeline maintenance work. So I decided to move to the side to avoid it. This made the car speed up and it hit the pothole. The bomb sound that the inside of the car made was like music to my ears.